we will not just stop at where we are. Am I right?
Yes.
We will definitely continue to expand, continue to grow. But in this process of growing and expanding, definitely we will face with a lot of problems. Definitely we will face with a lot of obstacles. And this is the reason why Reway values a lot on leadership training seminar. Because every quarter in a year, there is 4 quarters. Every quarter, Reway will conduct leadership training seminar. Just like the video we saw earlier on. It is the event that is held this month in Bangkok. But just this month alone, we held a total of 5 regional leadership training seminars. Why is it Reway value the importance of leadership training seminar? Because for every quarter, as different country leaders continue to expand and grow, they will definitely face with a lot of problems, a lot of difficulties. And because of this journey, every 3 months there will be leaders who manage to overcome obstacles, overcomes a lot of problems, and they will be standing on Reway stage to share with us. Just like the early on video, this time round, there's something that we as Europeans should be very proud of. Not only we have overseas leaders coming over to Europe to share their experience, we have our own European leaders going over to overseas, going over to Asia to share our experience in Europe to our Asia partners. We have 3 excellent leaders in Europe. Representing Hungary, we have our George. Representing Poland, we have our Magusata. Representing Czech Republic, we have our Pavel. Please give them a biggest round of applause. We always say, coming to a new market, coming to a different country, language is definitely going to be a barrier. Just like, I believe a lot of us here cannot understand English, might not understand Mandarin. But today, if we see it as a problem, today if Reway were to see language as a problem, then definitely Reway is not going to be able to grow bigger. Which is why today, if you look at the front right of the event hall, you will observe there is at least 7 translator booths here. And these people, they are here to support all of us so that we can comfortably be able to listen to the content of today's meeting. I think we should take this chance and thank all our interpreters here as well. Please give them a round of applause. I hope you are ready for today's training seminar. It is going to be a long day. I myself also came into Reway because of a training seminar like this. But I was tricked to attend a leadership training seminar. But as I sat there for a period of 7 hours, 8 hours, I realized that the people standing on stage, they are always sharing about something very, very huge. They are always sharing about their dreams. They are always sharing about what this company is capable of. To be honest, back then, I don't believe in this company. I was still a normal guest. But as I sat through the whole leadership training seminar, and I slowly understand this company, I slowly understand our leader, I slowly understand the management of Reway. I eventually began liking this company and this environment. So there's a lot of first-timer here, I believe. Since we have already given ourselves a chance to be here, we have already made this decision to be here today. Give ourselves this chance to listen. But don't make a decision immediately, because I did not make the decision immediately. At least try and understand and spend time to understand more about this company. Because subsequently, the speakers that will be standing on stage here, they are very, very successful leaders in Asia. And I'm very grateful for them to be here to share their experience with us. So for the next speaker, she's someone that I feel is very, very amazing. Because why? Because when she started getting to know about this company, she was only 24 years old. Can we remember 24 years old, what we were still doing? And if you do understand her history when she started Riway, their financial, the family financial is very, very tight. To the extent, even buying one bottle of our company's product, it is very, very difficult for her. It must be very, very difficult, am I right? But today, after a very short period of 8 years, 8 years later, not only she achieved financial freedom, not only her family is getting better, 8 years later, this little girl back then, of course now still considered very young, these women back then didn't even have enough money to buy a bottle of product. Today, she is the #1 of Philippines in Asia. So who is this person? Let us give her a big round of applause and welcome Team Supreme Pegasus 7, Faith Ann.
Country called the Philippines. Yes, and so 2 days ago when I got here in Poland, it's snowing, right? So right then and there, all of a sudden I had cough, I was sneezing, okay, but I'm not complaining. I'm just very grateful to be here this morning with all of you, because back home in the Philippines, we are 120 million people back in the Philippines. And I tell you, not even maybe 1% can experience snow in their whole lifetime. And so for that, can we give Riway International a round of applause, please? It's not my first time in Poland. I first visited Eastern Europe in July of 2022. That's the time that I first came across with our leader, Pavel. I joined the opening of the Czech Republic in July of 2022. Nobody invited me. I just go. Because I like giving myself inspiration. And I believe that Europe region is one of the biggest inspirations in the whole of Riway International right now. Early this year, I was also in the opening, okay, of Warsaw office back in February this year. And I never imagined that in the same year, which is this year, that I would be back, no longer as a spectator, but now to share my testimony to the thousands of Europeans inside this room. Can we give ourselves a round of applause, please? So I'm very grateful. Before I start, can we do something? Okay? We do something. Think of something that you are actually grateful for this morning. Anything that you want to be thankful for. You want to say thank you. Okay? Say thank you because, you know why? Being grateful, okay, it's one of the mind hacks or one of the secrets to becoming successful and happy. Because it can, you know, easily change our situation. It can easily change our minds once we become grateful. And so right now, let us be grateful for whatever it is Let us be grateful because not everybody has the chance to wake up this morning. In fact, probably people died while they were sleeping last night. Are you grateful to be waking up this morning?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Let us be grateful because not everybody has the chance to come across Freeway International. Not everybody has the privilege to come across a masterpiece product like Bertier. Not everybody has the chance to sit where you are seated at right now. Not everybody has the chance to come across an opportunity that could allow them to transform their lives forever. Not everybody has the chance to stand where I am standing at right now. And so before I start, I just want to thank again our boss, Mr. Lim Bun Hong. Where's boss? Can we give our boss a round of applause today? Boss, I just want to say, wherever you are, thank you. Thank you for allowing me to stand here this morning. And whoever it is that tricked or deceived the boss into putting me up on this stage this morning, it could be Dixie, it could be Kenneth. Really, thank you so much for tricking the boss into putting me here, okay? Why would I say somebody tricked the boss into putting me here? Because when I saw the list of the sharers, the speakers for today's event, I feel like in Filipino, we call it saling pusa. The English direct translation is joining cat, which means that sometimes when the big kids are playing, you allow the smaller ones to play with you so that they will not cry. Yes, thank you so much for that one person. But can you give her a round of applause, please? She got it. You got it, okay? So I feel like being here on stage, it felt like they put me here so I don't cry, okay? But I'm very happy that I'm the first speaker because the next speakers, they're more important and they're considered the business gurus inside Freeway International. Can we give our speakers a round of applause today? So are you grateful, boss staff? Yes, thank you so much. The thing is that, why exactly are we here? Have you ever really thought, or have we ever been really intentional? You know, like we really mean it, why we are here. Thing is that, the reason why we all are here, it's because we want to become successful. Who among us here, you want to become successful? Including myself. Okay, wow, that's the entire room wanting to become successful. See, a lot of us, you know, we want to become successful. And what does this event have anything to do with us becoming successful? Thing is that we come here, there are two things that we need to obtain or to get from these events. Number one, okay, we need to make sure that we are borrowing strength from these events. Meaning to say that, you know, along the way, okay, meaning to say that all of us, this entire day, we will be hearing the same speakers. We will be listening to the same stories. We will be eating the same food. But how come that not everyone will have the same results afterwards? It's because two things that we need to obtain. Number one is that you have to make sure that you get knowledge. And when we talk about knowledge inside Freeway business, Freeway International will never put motivational speakers or business gurus up on stage. Because Freeway believes that the people who are most qualified to teach others about how to become successful are the people who are actually creating results inside this business. And so today, this is the best place to learn, to gain, to obtain knowledge. But the second thing that we need to get, more important than knowledge, is what we call strength. It's more important than knowledge. Why? Because you see, a person can have all the knowledge, a person can have all the money and the resources, a person can have all the skills in the world, a person can have the biggest network in the world. But if this person does not know how to convert these events into his own strength, then there will never be success inside Reway business. See, as you start doing Reway business, you will soon realize that actually Reway business is no easy money business. In fact, it's very, very, very difficult. And one of the reasons that make it hard is that we are dealing with a lot of people. No, can you look at your surroundings right now? You look to your left, okay? You look to your right, okay? And you look to the back, you will find a lot of people coming from different backgrounds, coming from different nationalities, coming from different upbringing, coming from different values. And so, when we come together, we will be able to deal with a lot of problems because we're dealing with different people. And so, as you start your business, you will realize as well that a lot of us might need a lot of resistance along the way. For example, if you start quitting on your career or your job to do Reway business, or like Pavel here, who, you know, I don't know if he completely left his construction business last time and now he's doing Reway business full-time. Or maybe some of us here, you studied for very, very long years in the university, which means that a lot of us here, we acquired degrees, right? And then suddenly, you put down everything on the side and start doing Reway business. And some people around you, maybe some of them, even your families and your friends, will tell you, what happened? You used to have a good career. You used to have a good business. You have a degree, a title, a high position. How come you're doing multi-level marketing so bad, so cheap? Which means that at the beginning, you could meet a lot of resistance. But the thing is that whether resistance is a problem or not, it depends on how much strength you have inside you. Meaning to say, two things. Number one, you could look at resistance and allow rejection, allow resistance, allow criticism to stop you from seeing just how much potential success there is in the business. Or you can choose to face resistance and look forward and move forward and make sure you create results to prove to others that Reway business is a real and the right business of the century. Can we give Reway a round of applause today? So it's about the strength. But it's not all about resistance. Why? Because the moment you also come inside Reway business, you will also soon realize that actually there's a lot of things or people that will start to show their support to us inside this business. It could be your leaders, it could be your uplines, it could be your own teams, your own family, it could be Reway management, it could be this event. But the thing is that no matter how much support a person has, our success inside this business is never dependent. It's not equal to the amount of support that we get. Really, Faith? Really? Yes. Because you know, if we don't know how to turn this support into our own strength, then it's all useless. Why? Because support, it's a double-edged sword. Which means that sometimes support, if you don't know how to cherish it, if you don't know how to use it, support can turn you into somebody who's always dependent. It could turn you into somebody who's always relying on other people to do things for you. Sometimes support, if not cherished and used properly, support could turn into incompetence. Meaning to say that today, it's not about how much support or resistance you have. It's not about how many good or how many bad you go through. It's not about how many successes or failures you have. The most important thing to do right now is to use all of these events into your advantage and make sure that you become a person of strength after this leadership training seminar. Signal is so... Oh, by the way, there's also another factor that can make this event successful. No, more than the speakers, it's actually our translators. So to all our translators, we rely heavily on you as well. Can we give our translators a round of applause today? You can do it. So, strength. You know, I tried to Google the Polish word for the word strength. I don't know if it's correct, but is it siła? Yeah, siła. Like that, siła. Okay, I don't see siwa right here. Siwa! Come on, guys, you are so tall. You are taller than us. You can do better. Siwa! I don't know with you, but the first word that I learned when I got here in Poland is dzień dobry. No? And just by saying the word dzień dobry, looking at all of you right now, I feel siwa. I feel power. Yeah. Because, you know, when you travel, for example, to Asia, you go to, let us say, Japan. In Japan, they will tell you, konnichiwa. You go to Chinese-speaking countries, they tell you, ni hao. Okay, are you learning? Yeah. You go to Thailand, they will tell you, kapun ka. You go to my country, we have better beaches than Thailand. We tell you, kamusta? So you see, everywhere you go in Eastern Asia, we're very sweet, you know? But when I came here to Poland, somebody told me, dzień dobry. You know, it sounded different. I felt so scared. I thought it meant, why are you here? Don't mess with me. But actually, it's just hi, hello, right? So right now, I feel powerful. Dzień dobry! I will keep on saying it again and again. When I go back to the Philippines, I will tell people, dzień dobry, and they will all be scared, right? Can we give ourselves a round of applause today? Siwa! Poland! Woo! Just like our boss, right? Our boss is a man of strength. He's a man of siwa. Why? Because, you know, today I look at the boss and to me, he's like Superman, Spider-Man, and all of these heroes combined. He's like Iron Man, you know? But the reason why he is a man of strength, it's not because he has superpowers, but it's because of how he built Riway International from the ground up. Again, how he built Riway International from the ground up. And so, but you know, when I look at the boss today, the boss also understands when he built the business from the ground up, he did not start it with a lot of money. He had the choice, but he chose to start small because he wanted to show others that it can be done even when you don't have so much money. Boss, in fact, did not actually start in Singapore, but he chose to start in a very small place called Bukit Matajang in the state of Penang in Malaysia. And so today, look at Riway, look at how Riway International has grown over the past 17 years. It's because our boss is a man of strength, so powerful. But the thing is that the boss also understands that not everybody is born with natural strength. The boss clearly understands that not everybody is born with superpowers. And so what he did is that from the very beginning, back in 2008, when he established Riway International, he made sure that everything about Riway will give people so much advantage in the market. So much advantage that even when ordinary people like me, even when insufficient people like me, when we come into the business even with zero, because of how good Riway International is, we have a chance at becoming successful inside the business. Can we give Riway a round of applause, please? And it all started with, of course, it all starts with the product. See, we have to understand, when we look at the product today, we have to understand that Riway International has positioned Portier to become the Rolls-Royce of supplementation from the very beginning. It means that from the very beginning, we have highly positioned our product in the market. And when we say that Portier is positioned as the Rolls-Royce of supplementation, it only means one thing. It's the best. It's the number one. Nothing can compare, nothing can come close, and nothing can exceed the power of Portier. Can we give that a round of applause, please? See, when people do business, when they create the product, there's only one motivation, and that is to create profit. Can you say the word profit? Profit. Thank you. So, you know, if Riway International just wanted to earn profit, this is what I think the boss should have done. He would have created not one product. He would have created 5, 10, 20, or even 100 different products. And in each bottle, you have live cells. In each bottle, you have other unique ingredients. And each bottle targeting different organs and systems in the body. If Riway International only wanted to create product, this is what Riway should have done 17 years ago. Why? Because this is how multi-level marketing or direct selling does it in the market. They look for a manufacturer, they put in so much money, they create several products to sell to people. But you have to understand that Riway International, from the very beginning, did not create Portier only to create profit, but it made Portier, created Portier, not only to sell, but to increase the capacity of whoever comes across this product. I will say that. Thank you so much. Thank you, Keith. It's not only to sell, but it's to make sure that anyone who comes across this product, his capacity will increase. So today, I don't have to tell you how effective the product is, right? I don't have to convince you. Because if I show you my picture from 8 years ago when I was 24 years old, and you see me now, you will surely say the product is really effective. Yes, because the last time I was very ugly. Now I am less ugly. Can we give Portier a round of applause? So, today, see, I'm wearing my best coat for you, Poland. This is my best coat. I'm wearing it because I am so nervous. So I put my confidence in my coat. You don't see me nervous, right? Because I look confident because of my coat. So you have to understand that Riway International from the very beginning wants to create that kind of success that no other company has ever achieved in the market. It wants to create that kind of success that can only come from having a product of Portier. And so today, from 2008 to 17 years down the line, which is today, Riway has always been right. Today, Riway International has revolutionize the industry of supplementation because we only have one product, and that is Portir. We don't need so many products. We don't need so many ingredients to put inside because Riway, through Portir, only one product, it has changed, it is changing the entire course of history of supplementation. Because the last time, every time you take a supplement, I don't know with you, but in the Philippines, a lot of multi-level marketing companies coming down. And all of the products they have, they will offer not one, not two, they will offer many, many products. So, one product for the eyes, one product for the heart, one product for the bone, one product for the skin, one product for the liver, another for the kidney, another for the left kidney, another for the right kidney. And so, when you take the product, you end up taking like this. Like this, right? Like this. But right now, because of Portir, it has completely changed. Because whatever it is that you are feeling, you only do this. Whatever it is. And so today, even the most ordinary people, they can achieve success inside. They can win inside Riway. Because you don't need to learn so much. Am I right? You don't need to be a healthcare professional. You don't need to be a doctor. You don't need to be a nurse. When people come to you, I don't feel well, you just say, let's hope it will work on you as well. And you know what? When I was just starting, my question was, is Portir going to be effective as well to other countries? Because, you know, Asians, Southeast Asians, East Asians, somehow we're built the same. And so my question was, is it going to work with Western people as well? And you know what? 8 years down the line, my question is very much answered. Because we wouldn't be here, none of us would be here if Portir does not work in the bodies of Europeans. Can we give Portir a round of applause? Excuse me. It works on you. So, it's not about the ingredients that we have. It's not even the technology that we have. Right now, what gives you a competitive advantage in the market, which means what sets you apart in the field of direct selling, what gives you the power to conquer direct selling. It's not about ingredients, it's not about the patented ingredients, it's not even about the technology. But rather, I need us to look at the attitude of Riway International towards creating the product. So are you ready, Polska? So first, thank you so much. Our first edition came out in 2008. And in 2008, yes, the slide please. The first edition came out, and it sold 5,000 bottles of Portir. Now, just a year after, Riway immediately added ingredients, no? And wanted to make it better. And so in just a year, 2009, from 5,000 bottles, now it sold 15,000 bottles of Portir. But that did not stop there, because immediately a year after, in 2010, from 15,000 bottles, now it sold 270,000 bottles. But that's not it. Because of the attitude of Riway towards its product. Later, I will explain to you. Right now, I just need you to look at the numbers. Because numbers don't lie. So, just 2 years after, in 2012, we launched the 4th edition of Portir. And now, from 270,000 bottles sold, now it's sold 1.5 million bottles of Portir. Can you see the growth there? Do you see the trajectory there? Yeah? Is it selling? Yes, right? Is it effective? Very much. In fact, if I look at the numbers, On the 4th edition, it sold 1.5 million bottles. Riway, if Riway only wanted to earn money, it should have stopped at the 4th edition. Why? Because definitely so good already, right? Right?
Yes.
So good already. But like what I've mentioned earlier, Riway is not simply after selling the product. It wants people, every person who will come across Riway, who will come across Portier, Riway wants their lives, not only their health, to be better. And so every time, Riway never contents itself. You know, at an edition, we make sure that every year, every 2 years, we have a product, not because the last edition is not working, we always make sure that the edition that we have is always better than the last one. Because that is the attitude of Riway towards Portier. We are never complacent. We never settle. Riway always increases its standards. And so, from 2012, then we launched the 5th edition of Portier. And so look at this. From 1.5 to 5 million bottles of Portier. Pwede bang, can we give that a round of applause? From 1.5 to 5 million bottles. Actually, when I came in December of 2016, this was the first edition that was introduced to me and my mother. And you know what? It has the Jobium, right? And all of these ingredients. And a lot of people think, no, that if only they copy Portier, they think that it would also make them successful in the market. You know, the competitive advantage today is that Portier is actually the pioneer when it comes to oral live cell therapy in the market. Now, the challenge when you are the pioneer is that you have to educate people on what live cell therapy is. And clearly, over these years, we can see that Riway has been so successful at educating people, at making sure that people are healthier and better when they take the product, right? And so today, when people ask me, Faith, does Riway or does Portier have competition? I would tell them, we don't have competition. It would be very sad if we think we have competition. Because today, no product in the market comes close to how good Portier Placenta is. No competition. But we have a lot of imitation. So they think that when they have the money, you know, they can buy a bottle and put red pills inside and label it just like the label of Portier. They think they can compete in the market. But you know what? Portier, high position, and it has very high value. When we say that the product has very high value, it does not always mean that it's high price. High value does not equate to high price. The reason why Portier is very, very, very successful today, it's never about the price. I tell you, I have met a lot of Filipinos. I tell you, in the Philippines, the minimum wage, the smallest wage, is about 200 to 300 euros. I did the math earlier. I used a calculator. A Filipino averagely earns 200 to 300 euros only. And if you ask me, is Portier expensive? I would say, I have met a lot of Filipinos who earn 200 euros in a month, not a day, in a month, and they can afford Portier. But I have also met a lot of crazy rich Asians who cannot afford Portier at all. Because it's never about the price, it's about the value of the product. And today, thank you so much. The value is that when Riway created Portier, it goes beyond protecting people's health. It goes beyond repair. today when we created the product when it comes inside your body, simply said, it will look for the dying part of the body and then it will be alive again. That's for dear. So today what we have is the most potent and the most synergistic effect of amount and combination of ingredients inside the bottle of Portier. And so it doesn't end there. Why? Because in 2018, we launched again the 6th edition of Portier. And look at that. From 5 million bottles, now we have sold 25 million bottles of Portier. Can we give that a round of applause, Poland? 25 million bottles. High sales, right? Okay, so now this product is something that you don't need to over-tea up. You don't need to lie about how effective the product is. Right? Because people, okay, I know one paralyzed person in the Philippines. And he was listening. No, we were doing a presentation to him. Paralyzed, cannot talk, cannot walk, but you know, he can hear. And so we presented the product Portier, good, it can help. And then you know what? When it was time to tell him how much it was, okay, we told him in Philippine peso, it's 170,000. All of a sudden, the paralyzed person, he said, huh? All of a sudden, the paralyzed person can talk. And then he stood up and, huh? And then the paralyzed can immediately walk and move around just by knowing the price of Portier. So is Portier good? Thank you. Grabe, delayed. So, if you do not have a high-value product, you cannot go anywhere in the world, right? There is no way that you can go into the international market. There is no way that you can go past beyond the borders of Asia. And because our product is of high positioning, it's of high value, it's of high sales. Today, when I came into this business, South Asia, we have Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Central South Asia, we have Thailand and Philippines. East Asia, we had Taiwan. But 8 years after today, we have, today we have all of these other countries. South Korea and China not included. But even though we are not officially in South Korea and China, we are making so much sales in these countries. And today, of course, I'd like to congratulate all of you here today. Because right now, you are what we call the pioneers of Freeway Europe region. Congratulations, Czech! Congratulations, Poland! So to sum it up, Portier is high position. When we say high position, do not think of any other competition. The competition that we have are the ones that is being sold in clinics and it's worth 20,000 euros and above. Today, we are the Rolls-Royce of supplementation. When we talk about high value, it's not about being high price. It's about having that product that you will not be ashamed of, something that you can carry in the whole world. When we talk about high sales, you know high sales, my mother and I, we only bought Portier once. That was in December 24, 2016. A lot of people are so afraid if, you know, Portier isn't high selling because they think it's expensive. But actually, my mother and I, we only bought the product once. And 8 years after, we are taking it for free. The entire family is taking it for free. Our nannies at home are taking it for free. Our families are taking it for free. Even my dog, his name is Snoopy, he is also taking it for free. Can we give Freeway a round of applause today? So, now, because Freeway is never complacent, because Freeway always makes sure to increase the standards. And that is why there is no end to this business. Today, if you ask me, do I have the potential to win in the market? Can I still grow in the market? The answer is yes. Because right now, we are only on the 7th edition. The question is, how far can this product take you? But the thing is that you decide. Because surely, from 25 million bottles, I've heard from the boss that the target for the 7th edition is actually at 250 million bottles. Only for the 7th edition. And we're not talking about the next 5 years or the next 10 years. We're talking about another just 2 to 3 years of the 7th edition. So the question now is not whether or not Bertier is effective. The question now is where do you decide this product can take you? Right now, I only have 10 minutes left, okay? So I'll try to do it fast. I want to share how far this product has taken me and my family. Is that okay? Yes. So, this is my mother. Okay. So, the right picture, okay, that's my mother in 2016. My mother is diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer. And my mother, because we have no money at all, she's a single mother. I'm a single mother as well. She refused to go through any surgery, refused to go through any SOPs, like in Western medication. And so, we have a churchmate, a taxi driver by the name of Rex Bugalao, who shared this product with us. That was early 2016. And when this taxi driver, I'll show you the picture later, when this taxi driver started to share the product with us, I would always tell my mother, don't believe him. Because you know, this taxi driver, we've known him for a long time. But this taxi driver, every single quarter or every 3 months, he would offer a new company. And he would tell us, Beth, that's my mom, Faith, this is the best company in the world. And along with that best company, he would offer us a new product. And he would always tell us, this is the best product in the market. And this happens every single quarter. He always has the best company, always has the best product. And so in 2016, when he introduced Bertier to us, I told my mother, don't believe. Look at him now, Rex. He's wearing black coat. He has turned into a professional scammer. It took us months before we said yes to his invitation. And so finally in December of 2016, my mother and I, we decided to sit down and listen. Not because we were interested, but only because we wanted Rex to stop inviting us. And so before we went inside the hotel, I told my mother, Mama, whatever they say, don't believe. Whatever they say, do not be scammed. And you know what? My mother answered me only one thing. And she told me, you know what? What is there to be scammed when we don't have money anyway? So a lot of us here, we're so afraid of losing something that we don't even have. And so I told my mother, good boy, no scamming because no money. And so we sat down, and to be completely honest with all of you, when we heard our first OPT, we did not understand anything at all. Nothing. But at that night, we understood one thing, that maybe it is the product that we have been praying for. It is the answer that we have been seeking for. Because my mother almost dying at that time. And so that night, we could not afford not even a bottle of Bertier. But Rex, together with our upline Raymond, they planted a seed in us. And they allowed us to take a bottle of Bertier. But Raymond, I can clearly remember, he told my mother, Beth, you take this one bottle, but you have to promise me, and you have to promise yourself, that if you get better, by all means, you have to take the product. And so that night, we went home with a bottle of Portier. And little did we know that because of one bottle of Portier, one bottle of live cell therapy, our lives would be completely changed and transformed forever. Today, my mother is a Team Supreme Pegasus 3. And every year, yes, every year, I tell you, she looks younger and younger and younger. In fact, when people tell her, Beth, you look like the sister of faith. And I feel so, what do you call that? I feel so bad. I feel so insulted. Because my mother is twice my age, right? I am 30s, she is 60s, I feel so hurt. That's why today I also take lots of Portier. So, my mother started sharing the product with the people we know. And the thing is that when she enrolled herself, she used my name. Because in her mind, I'm already dying. I'm already very old. And so she asked for my tax number, and she used my name to enroll herself in Reway Business. And after 2 to 3 months of sharing and sharing and sharing, I would always bring her to Reway office in Manila. At the time, there was only one office in Manila, in the Philippines. I would bring her and I would refuse to go inside because everybody is in their black coat. And I would refuse because I feel so insecure. I feel so small going inside Reway office. And so in 2 to 3 months time, my name qualified for Diamond 1 star. So in fact, I heard Pavel, when he decided to join the business, because he wanted to earn 10,000 euros, right? 10,000 euros. So we started to earn money, and in March of 2017, I qualified for a Diamond Star Achiever, and I attended an LRN or a Leaders Recognition Night in Taipei, Taiwan. And in that event, I saw a hall of 5,000 people, all in their black coat. And they were all looking very happy, very fulfilled, very rich. And I told myself, how come I'm not like them? How come I'm not happy? How come I'm not fulfilled? How come I'm not rich? And so that day, when I first went up the stage of the Leaders Recognition Night in Taipei, Taiwan, back in March of 2017, I promised myself that I would be, next time, bigger. But that's not exactly what made me do the business. You see, when I was in Taipei, Taiwan, the following day, we had a star meeting. Okay? And you can see me, I'm no longer in my black attire. I'm just in my jeans, right? And during the time, what made me decide to do Reway Business? 2 people made me decide to do Reway Business. Number 1, her name is Jeddah. And she asked me, Apply, what is your plan? And when she asked me what my plan was, I was so angry, I was so hurt because I had no plans. I had a dying mother back home. I have 2 young kids back home. And my mindset was not to do Reway. My mindset was to do factory job worker in Taiwan. And so I got so hurt, I got so angry. The next time, another leader came to me and she said, Apply. Because we were sharing 1 bed in the hotel, right? There were 3 of us, we're sharing 1 bed. And she asked me, Apply. Maybe because you're only 24-year-old, maybe you can sleep on the floor. Because the bed is so tight. And I got so hurt because the only time people will ask you to sleep on the floor is when you are a person of low value. And so that night, I called my mother, who was left in the Philippines, because I'm the 1 star. She's not the 1 star. I told her, Ma, I promise, when I come back to the Philippines, I will be bigger than all of them. I will become a Team Elite Pavong. Why? No. It's because at that night, I had the turning point in my life. The turning point is that all my life, I have been ridiculed by other people. All my life, I keep on relying on other people, my mother. And so that night, I was just so sick and tired of being poor. I was so sick and tired of being ridiculed, not respected, not valued. And so that night, I asked Raymond, the Malaysian guy, "Hey Raymond, what is bigger than 3-star? Raymond said, "It's Team Elite, Pako." When I got back to the Philippines in March of 2017, 3 months after, I went up the stage as the first Team Elite Filipino speaking in the whole of Freeway International. Don't get me wrong, we would always say that, Portier will not work in the Philippines because people here are so poor. But here is what I have learned, that people, regardless of how much money they have, they are very much willing to spend money on something that they see value. And so, because of how good Portier was, because of how excited people were, because of many testimonies being created along the way, on that same year, in December of 2017, I went up the stage as the first ever Team Elite Pegasus Filipino speaking in the whole of Freeway International. I was 25 years old. Initially, I just wanted to help my mother sustain her consumption of Portier. And initially, when we started, it's not that I want to become a millionaire. No. Because when you start doing the business, you will really never know how much you earn. And so Pavel said that he wanted to earn 10,000 euros. And in my time, when I was just starting, I wasn't aiming for 10,000 euros. I wanted to earn 820 euros. Enough to pay the rent, enough to pay electricity and bills, enough to buy food, not 10,000 euros. I only wanted 820 euros. But Freeway, on my first month in the business, did not pay me 820 euros. Freeway paid me 20,000 euros on my first 2 weeks in the business. And so, my mother taking the product and Filipinos getting better and better, and some people also earning money. And now I ask the question, how do we get Philippines become even bigger? And at that time, James Strong, who was then not yet a general manager, he was still a business development at the time. He told me, if you want to become really successful, if you want to bring Filipinos to the top, then you have to be close to the boss. You have to be, that's it? I just have to go near the boss? Yes. You have to make sure that you always attend a top leaders meeting. And so the following year, I attended my first ever top leaders meeting in Macau. First ever, right? We sat there from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. because I wanted to become close to the boss. But the thing is that 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., I did not understand anything at all because everything was in Mandarin. And the only time that I would hear the word, and the only time that I would hear the word English is when the boss says, okay. But everything, the presentation, all the words, everything was in Mandarin. And I said to myself, how to become close to the boss when I don't speak his language? But you know what? That day, I keep on hearing the word FEMA. And so that night, I went to James again. And I asked James, what is FEMA? FEMA means Pegasus. And then I understood in March of 2018 that if I want Philippines to become even more successful, the key is duplication. The key is to empower people, not just with Portier. See, the purpose of Portier is not only to help us health-wise. The purpose of Portier is to equip us to increase our capacity. And so we started doing the system of Freeway International. And from years and years and years and years of fighting, finally last year, the boss for a long time, he would always ignore me. You know, it seemed like I did not exist at all. But finally, last year, after 6 or 7 years of doing the business, of following the boss, of doing it the right way, of following Freeway system, finally last year, we were officially recognized by the boss. We used to call ourselves Team Kayumangki. In Filipino, Kayumangki means brown skin. Why? Because when we go to events in Singapore or Malaysia, you know, Filipinos, we always stand out. Because Mandarin speaking, almost all of them white. But Filipinos, we stand out because our skin is brown. But today, even the Singaporeans know the word Kayumangki. They have taught themselves how to pronounce the word because of how much Philippines has also in some way contributed to Freeway International. And so today, we are now called Jubilee Diamond Team. Can we give our team a round of applause, please? So I'm about to end. The question is there any potential to win in the market? I'm going to make it faster now, okay? See, it's not enough that we have money when we start the business. It's not enough that we have the skills. You know, a lot of things which we think can help us succeed in the business. Actually, a lot of these things don't necessarily help us to achieve success in the business. What do I mean by this? It's not enough that we are hardworking, because everybody is hardworking. It's not enough that we have the desire to win, because everybody else has the desire to win. It's not enough that we are perseverant in the business, because all of us, we persevere in the business, right? But today, I want to share with you Freeway Europe, Czech, Poland, Hungary, and Germany. Right now, the most important thing to do as we continue to grow in Freeway Europe is to identify what we call our unfair advantage in the market. So when we say unfair advantage, it is simply said our personal edge in the market. What is it that you have that few other people have? What is it that you know that few other people know? What is it? Because we have to be humble enough to know that there's a lot of things that we don't have control of. We have to be rooted enough to understand that there's a lot of things that we cannot change. We cannot change who our parents are. We cannot change our country. I want to be Singaporean, I want to be Japanese, but I cannot because I'm Filipino. Born in Filipino, I have a Philippine passport, right? So, but we also have to have the courage to believe that our destiny is in our hands. So question, how many of us here, again, we want to become successful? Want to become successful. So you are here, this is point A. This is your current circumstances. This is your present situation. And this is your success. This is your goals. This is your dreams in life. And you know, there is a gap or there is a disparity between our present circumstances and our goals. Now, if we dwell too much on our dreams, for example, don't lean too much on your dreams because sometimes when you keep on dreaming, you end up delusional. Yeah? Meaning to say, like for example, sometimes I imagine I win the lottery. I imagine buying a mansion, so many cars. But then I never put money in the lottery. But I always imagine that I win in lottery. So that's delusional. And you also cannot dwell so much on your present circumstances. Because when there is too much negativity, you are discouraged. Right now, what I need us to understand is that the entire Freeway International is giving us a competitive advantage in the market. So long as you do this business, so long as you do not quit, so long as you follow Riway system, confirm you are going to become successful. But then again, you also have to identify what is it that you have that can actually make you win in the market. And I'll tell you my secret. My secret for this past 8 years is that my personal advantage, it's not money. You know, even if you have all the money in the world today, that doesn't mean that you can become successful. Because if you have all the money, you don't want to learn anything. When you have problems, you just use money to solve your problems, but the problems are not actually solved at all. So to tell you what I have, I'm a person who is very gullible. What is it in Polish or in Czech? Gullible. Gullible. I easily believe. Okay? In Filipino, we call it uto-uto. Easily believe. Gullible. Which means that when Riway told me, Faith, you can do it, I believe I can do it. When Riway told me, Faith, you can become the first ever Team Elite Pavo of the Philippines, I believe it. When Riway says you can become Pegasus, I believe it. When Riway says you can become #1, I believe it. My personal advantage, I'm not beautiful, I'm not smart, I'm not a lot of things, but I am very gullible person. When Riway says I can, I believe, I simply do, I simply follow. So today, you may not have the money, you may not have the big network, but that's okay. Because there's also one secret that I will be sharing with you. And that secret is called mastery. Mastery of what? Mastery of the system. It says here, mastery is the best goal because the rich cannot buy it, the impatient cannot rush it, the privileged cannot inherit it, and nobody can steal it from you. You can only earn it through hard work. Today, if you choose to master the product, you choose to master the marketing plan, you choose to master the NDO, you choose to master the system of Riway International, wherever life takes you, sure, you win, sure, you become successful. Because today, if you only rely on money to make you successful, but money is taken away from you, you have nothing, right? You cannot compete anymore. But today, I dare you, Europe, you grow your heart, you grow your mind, and you master Riway system. And I tell you, your dreams will not be easily killed and destroyed inside this business. So, lastly, all of the speakers, almost all, you have here Andy Saw, you have Rick, you have Hasim, you have David Yo. I learned that all of them, even before they started doing Riway business, they already have been doing business outside. Meaning that their common denominator is that they are all business people. But my biggest strength, my biggest power that I can give to you right now, the biggest shiwa that I can give to you right now, is that Philippines was not started by businessmen. Philippines was started by a taxi driver. Philippines was started by a single mother. Philippines was started by a dying mother. Philippines was started by the most ordinary people. But because of how good Riway is, again, even the most ordinary people can succeed in life. See, outside Riway, no job, ever. Why? Because when I was applying for a job, the companies would tell me, oh, you have 2 kids. And it's as if people would look at my kids as liabilities. When people learn that I'm a single mother, they look at me as if I am disabled. Not able to do anything. But when I come inside Riway business, my past did not matter. When I come inside Riway, my education, my background, it did not matter. When I come inside Riway, Riway put so much value in me and look at me like I was the most successful person in the world. And that can also happen to you, Riway Europe. Today, my biggest strength is that today, no matter how ordinary you are, you can become the next big gun. You can become the next hero inside Freeway International. Lastly, this is one of my leaders. Her name is Menchi Anissa. When we shared the product with her, the doctor told her she had 3 months to live because of her cancer. And so when we shared the product with her, she told us, no, I cannot take anymore because I only have 3 months to live. And so my mother told her, you should take Portir because if you only have 3 months to live, then you have nothing to lose, right? Why so scared? You will die anyway. And so she started taking the product, and from 3 months to live in 2017, she lived for another 6 years. Today she's gone, no more. But in the last 6 years of her life, she followed Freeway. All her strength and energy she put into building her own team inside the business. Today, even though she's gone, her family did not die with her. The hopes and dreams of her children did not die with her. Why? Because in Freeway, not only we change our lives, but we pave the way for the next generation to come. And so this is the son of Menchi, and early this year, he already inherited the account from Freeway International. So see, real success. The true meaning of life is to plant trees under whose shade you do not expect to sit. See, when Boss created Freeway, when Boss created Portir, when Boss created the entire system, you know, his vision is to completely change the entire history of Freeway, of multi-level marketing business. Now, I want to share, I learned something. Who among us here, you are from Denmark? Denmark, you're coming from Denmark. Danish people. Anyone here? Denmark? Yeah, Denmark. Okay, we can see few people, maybe Denmark. And Denmark, why? During the World War II, Denmark was able to save 90% of its Jewish population. Right? Denmark. And when it saved 90% of its Jewish population, it's not because, you know, they told themselves, I cannot save everybody, but I can save 1 or 2. The reason why Denmark was able to save by 90% its Jewish population, it's because all of them, they told themselves, I can save 1 or 2. I cannot save everybody, but I can save 1 or 2. Today, I am inside Freeway International Business. It's because last time, I only want to take the product for free. Last time, I only want to earn 800 euros. But today, Freeway International is our purpose in life. And in the magazine, I'm very much grateful because I was reminded her long-term goal is to bring Freeway to the rest of the world, especially to the huge untapped English-speaking Western parts, to wherever there are Filipinos, so that they no longer need to be away from their families and constrained to work in other industries, but instead they can be leaders of Freeway International. See, today, my name is Faith, and from somebody who's always ridiculed, today, from zero, now we have gone to hero. And we will not stop here because we don't want to go back to being empty-handed. Today, I thank the boss. I thank every single part of Freeway International because today a lot of Filipinos' lives are being transformed because of Freeway platform. And Freeway Europe, by next year soon, I commit that the next top leader who will be seated here in front is a Filipino coming from Jubilee Diamond Team. Thank you so much.